Bosch Series 6 dishwashers are sophisticated appliances that use advanced electronic control modules to manage their operations. Understanding how these systems work and when they need to be reset is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Sometimes these electronic control modules need to be reset to clear error codes and restore normal operation. There are three main types of resets, each serving a different purpose and level of intervention. The first type is a cycle reset. This is the simplest reset that cancels the current wash cycle. It's useful when you need to stop the dishwasher mid-cycle or change settings. The second type is a system reset. This clears temporary errors and sensor readings. It's more comprehensive than a cycle reset and helps resolve minor glitches or sensor issues. The third and most comprehensive type is a factory reset. This restores all settings to manufacturer defaults. Use this as a last resort when other resets haven't resolved the issue, as it will erase all your custom settings. Now let's look at the common scenarios where you might need to perform a reset. Recognizing these situations will help you choose the appropriate type of reset. The first scenario is mid-cycle malfunctions. If your dishwasher stops unexpectedly during a wash cycle, gets stuck, or displays unusual behavior, a reset can often restore normal operation. The second scenario involves persistent error codes. Sometimes error codes remain displayed even after you've addressed the underlying problem. A reset can clear these stubborn codes from the system memory. Performance degradation is another key scenario. This includes unusual noises, poor cleaning results, or cycles taking much longer than normal. These symptoms often indicate the control system needs recalibration. Finally, an unresponsive control panel is a clear sign that a reset is needed. If buttons don't respond, the display is frozen, or the interface behaves erratically, the control module likely needs to be reset. Understanding when and how to perform these resets can save you significant time and money by avoiding unnecessary service calls. In many cases, a simple reset resolves the issue without needing professional repair. Now that you understand the fundamentals of Bosch Series 6 dishwasher resets, you're ready to learn the specific procedures for performing each type of reset and troubleshooting common error codes. Now we'll learn how to perform the three types of resets and troubleshoot common error codes on your Bosch Series 6 dishwasher. There are three reset methods available for Bosch Series 6 dishwashers. Each serves a different purpose depending on the severity of the issue you're experiencing. The soft reset is the quickest method to cancel a current wash cycle. Press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds until all indicator lights turn off. Hold the button firmly for the full duration. You'll see all the control panel lights turn off, indicating the cycle has been successfully canceled. A hard reset involves cutting power to the dishwasher completely. First, locate your dishwasher's circuit breaker in your electrical panel. Switch the breaker to the off position, then wait exactly 5 minutes. This allows the dishwasher's internal systems to fully reset and clear any temporary errors. After the full 5 minutes, switch the breaker back on and test your dishwasher. This method resolves most electronic glitches and sensor errors. The factory reset restores all settings to manufacturer defaults. Press and hold both the rinse aid and heated dry buttons simultaneously for exactly 3 seconds. This method clears all custom settings and error memories, but you'll need to reprogram your preferences afterward. Use this as a last resort when other resets fail. Understanding error codes helps you choose the right reset method. The most common errors include water supply issues, filter blockages, and drainage problems. Error E15, indicating water in the base pan, is the most frequent issue. This often requires fixing the underlying leak before performing a factory reset to clear the error memory. Follow this systematic troubleshooting workflow for best results. Always document error codes first, then start with the least invasive soft reset before progressing to more comprehensive methods. Remember these best practices. Start with soft resets, wait between attempts, test after each reset, and document what works for future reference. This systematic approach will resolve most dishwasher issues efficiently.